A few years ago, I never imagined I'd be sitting at home learning AI tools, building YouTube channels, creating digital products, and trying to build income online. Honestly, I thought that world belonged to younger people, people who grew up with technology, people faster than me. But what I've learned since then surprised me. People over 50 may actually have the biggest advantage online. After my health struggles and being off work for a long period of time, my entire perspective changed. I started thinking differently about work, about retirement, about time, about purpose. And maybe you felt this too. That quiet feeling that says there has to be something more than just getting by. I didn't want to spend the rest of my life feeling stuck. I wanted options, flexibility, freedom, something meaningful I could build from home. So I started learning slowly. YouTube, digital products, AI tools, online business. And if I'm honest, at first it felt overwhelming. There were moments I seriously questioned myself. Am I too old for this? Can I actually learn this stuff? Did I miss my chance already? But over time, I realized something important. Life experience matters online a lot more than people think. If you're brand new to this world, digital products are simply things you create once and deliver online. There's no inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. That could be ebooks, guides, templates, printables, music, courses, journals, photography, or even teaching skills you already have from life experience. And here's the interesting part. A lot of people over 50 already have knowledge other people would gladly pay to learn. They just don't realize it yet. Younger creators have speed, but older creators have wisdom, perspective, patience, stories. You've lived through things people are searching answers for right now, and that creates trust. One of the things I personally love about digital products is the flexibility. You can learn from home, build slowly, work at your own pace. There's no commuting, no heavy overhead. And after going through health struggles, that flexibility became incredibly important to me. I think a lot of people hit a point in midlife where they quietly ask themselves, what now? Especially once since the kids grow up, or retirement starts getting closer, or life forces you to slow down unexpectedly. Digital products gave me something to build again, something creative, something hopeful. And honestly, that feeling matters more than most people realize. Technology can feel intimidating at first. I understand that. But learning new skills later in life is powerful. It keeps your mind active, it builds confidence, and sometimes it reconnects you with family in unexpected ways too. I know people in their 50s, 60s, and even in their 70s and beyond, learning YouTube or Canva or AI tools. They're learning video editing and doing far better than they ever expected. One of the hardest parts about midlife is feeling like your best opportunities are behind you. But I don't believe that anymore. I think there are thousands of ordinary people quietly rebuilding their lives right now, from kitchen tables, small offices, spare bedrooms, trying to create a little more freedom, a little more security, and maybe a little more hope for the future. Honestly, that's who I make these videos for. If you're curious about digital products, start small. Don't try to build some giant business overnight. Maybe write a short guide, create a printable, start a simple YouTube channel, share your hobby, teach something you already know, or simply start learning AI tools little by little. Small steps count. That's how most meaningful things begin. And if you're somebody over 50 trying to figure all this out, I just want to remind you, you are not too late. Your experience matters. Your story matters. And there are far more opportunities online today than most people realize. If this video encouraged you, consider subscribing. I'm building this channel for beginners, midlifers, retirees, and everyday people trying to build something meaningful online without all the hype. And down in the comments, tell me this. What is one thing you've always wanted to create online? I'd genuinely love to hear it. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today, and remember, it's never too late to build a second chapter you're proud of. I'll see you in the next video.